Yeah, good morning. And yeah, now we are going to see the topic that is about yeah. Now we are going to now we are going to see the topic about Floyd's algorithm. Yeah, now we are going to see the topic about Floyd's algorithm. Okay, it is a all pass shortest path. Okay, all pass shortest path. I have told no that one. Okay, yeah. See, I start with the for Floyd's algorithm. Like first of all, I start with the problem. Okay, Floyd's algorithm. Okay, it is also called as an all pass shortest path. Okay, all pass shortest path one. Okay, yeah. See, now come with the problem. From the problem, you can able to understand what is. From the problem you can able to understand what is Floyd's algorithm, everything and all. Okay, no, see, A B C D is there, okay, they see here there is a arrow is there, that is nothing but that is a direction. Okay, they are mentioning the direction here, and then they are mentioning see here 271, it's nothing but it is a weight. Okay, for B to A we have the weight 2, and C to B we have the weight 7. Okay, and then C to D we have the weights 1. Okay, from A to C we can consider somewhat okay 3. Okay, we can take it as 3 the weight. Okay, yeah, now see how we can solve this one. நான் கேட்டேன் மேம், அவங்க வந்து பாருங்கன்னு சொன்னாங்க. நான் பார்த்துட்டு ஃப்ரீ டைமில் பார்த்துட்டு உங்களுக்கு சொல்கிறேன். லஞ்சுக்குள்ளே சொல்கிறேன் மேம். Yeah, now see here A, B, C, D. These are the nodes. That is edges. Okay, they have the separate weights for that. It is a directed graph. That is arrow symbol is there. Okay, yeah. Now see how it is solved in the Floyd's algorithm. Let's see, there is so many steps are there. Okay, let's start with the first step. Okay, see here, step 1, construct D0. Okay, I am starting with the initial one. Okay, yeah, D0, yeah, symbol, the symbol is the same one. See, the construction of matrix based on number of nodes. Okay, based on the number of nodes I am constructing the matrix. See, here we have 4 nodes, that is A, B, C, D. That is 4 nodes are there. So the 4 matrix we have to construct it. Okay, D1, D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, like that we have to construct. Okay, see the construction of matrix based on number of nodes. First thing is that we are going to construct the matrix. Okay, yeah, see, if condition, see, if I equal to J, I equal to J means nothing but what happens means, see, I equal to J means only one node is there. Okay, that is this. So A is an I, that is also equal to a J. Okay, that is here. Okay, only one node is there, that means the weight is 0. Okay, there is no weight here. Okay, there is no weight here, that one only they are mentioning here. Okay, no weight. I equal to J means only one node. For mentioning the one node, that is no weight. So then Wij is null. Okay, that is weight. Okay, Wij means nothing but that is a weight. Okay, weight of the nodes. Okay, that is we are mentioning 1, 7, 3, 2. That is it. Okay, yeah, Wij is null. Okay, that is there is no weight for the single nodes. Okay, see, if there is a node, okay, see what happens. Else if, okay, if this is not this one becomes false, means how it is. Okay, see, I tends to J, there is a weight is there. Okay, here C means nothing but there is a cost. Okay, cost, that is this one weight. Okay, C tends to D, that means there is a weight is there. Okay, if this one means what happens, okay, we have to write we have to write the cost and everything and all. Okay, yeah, C equal to, if I tends to J, that is a cost, means what happens, the actual weight Wij equal to Wij equal to weight. Okay, weight value you have to write here, weight value, write weight value. Okay, you have to write the weight values. Okay, the same thing here. Okay, else no cost infinity, that means else if this condition becomes false, means that it will goes to infinity. Okay, mostly these two things are there in the problem. Okay, Floyd's algorithm. Okay, yeah, let's see with the problem. Okay, yeah, again, if weight is there, wij I have told no ma. Another step after the construction of the matrix, this is the first step is nothing but we are going to construction of matrix based on number of nodes. Okay ma. Yeah, but see the next step, this is up to the construction, this is for a construction of matrix. Okay, or matrix construct matrix they are using this method. Okay, next step is nothing but we are going to solve this one. Okay, see wij k equal to min of wij k minus 1 comma wik n k minus 1 plus wkj k minus 1. I will tell you what is ij and k, everything under. Okay, this is what the formula. Okay, this is for construction of matrix. After constructing the matrix we have to determine the weight values. Okay ma, weight values, what is weight values, everything under. Okay, this is very very important. See wij k, that is power, min, that is min means nothing but it is a minimum value. We are taking a minimum value from these two. So okay, this is a comma. Okay, this is separate term and this two is separate terms. Okay, you have to consider this one. Based upon this you are taking the minimum value. Okay, that's very important here. Yeah, let's see.
Suppose you are working towards a target.
Yeah, let's I have shown this problem. Okay, a b c d. Okay, this is one problem here. Okay, I will tell you how to solve this problem based on these methods. First one is construction method, second one is finding weight values. Okay, yeah, let's see. There is I am solving this one. Before that we will see one more problem here. Okay, we'll sort out this new problem. Okay, Floyd's algorithm, they will ask Floyd's algorithm means like that. You have to write, it is an all path shortest path problem. We will solve, you have to write these steps. Okay, right, you have to write these steps. This step is very important. If they ask Floyd's algorithm means you have to first you have to write what is Floyd's algorithm. It is also known as all path shortest path problem. It has two steps is there, construction of matrix and then weight, finding weight is there. Like that you have to write it. Okay, and then you can explain with your problem. Okay, that is and then you can explain with your problem. Okay, I am going with an problem. Find shortest path between every two nodes between by Floyd's algorithm. Okay, see here our goal is to finding a shortest path. We are going to find the shortest path for the nodes. Okay, which one is the shortest way for the particular nodes. Okay, see I am coming up with the directed graph. Okay, arrow symbol is there, no ma, that means nothing but it is a directed graph. Okay, and then see this under nodes. Okay, that is edges, we will say that one. And see the weights is there 3 4 5 2 1 2, like that will be there. Okay, actually in your syllabus you have to solve like this problem only. Okay, they will give like this questions. Okay, yeah, now see the solution. First thing is that we have to construct the matrix. Okay, construction of matrix. Okay, matrix construction of matrix. Okay, well, that's a very important one. Okay, now I am going with the d0. Okay, d power 0, that is initial matrix. Okay, I am going with an initial matrix. Okay, z0 is nothing but I am initial matrix. See, I am just I have the graph here. Okay, other one I am representing it in a matrix form. Okay, well, see how I am representing here. See, 1 4 is there. Okay, see here nodes. Okay, 1 2 4 2 3 is there and I'm having no, I'm writing here 1 2 3 4. Same here 1 2 3 4, that is rows and columns. I am representing the nodes. Suppose a b c d like that will be there, means you have to write a b c d like that. Okay, yeah, now see a 1 to 4. Okay, the one nodes we having 4. Okay, it will having a 1 to 4, we have the weights 5. So I am simply writing here 5. Okay, and then see 1 to 2 I have weight 3. Okay, so I am mentioning 1 to 2, I am mentioning 3. Okay, and then see the 1 to 1, that means see here ma, one node is there. In the node k vandu there is no weight is there. Okay va, that is I and j equal to weight for I and j. If there is only one node point to this node means the answer is weight is 0. Okay, that the condition here. 1 to for 1 to 1 we have 0. Okay, same 2 to 2 we have 0. 3 to 3 we have 0. And 4 to 4 we have 0. The same thing. That condition is there no more. That one. Yeah, see this condition. Okay, weight j equal to nil. Okay. Yeah, now see. What happens after that, see 1 to 2 I have written, 1 to 3, see here infinity how it comes. See the arrow comes from node 1, 1 to 4 and 1 to 2 is there. There is no 3 node, there is no connections between 1 and 3, so I am returning as infinity. Okay, there is no connections. Okay, no connection, so I am written simply has infinity values. Okay va, yeah, next see 2 for 2 to 1. Okay, 2 to 1, see the arrow 2 value is there, so I am returning simple 2. And then 2 to 3, there is no connection with the 2 to 3, see the arrow comes here not here, this like. Okay, so I am returning simply infinity. And then 2 to 4, see 2 to 4 I have see 2 to 4 I have the nodes 4. Okay, so I am simply written it has 4. And same 3, see 3 to 1, 3 is there. Okay, there is no connection between 3 and 1, so I am written it has infinity. And 3 to 2 1, 3 to 1. Okay, and then 3 to 3 0 and 3 to 4 infinity. See there is no connection between 3 to 4 because see 4 to 3 only we have the weights 2. Okay, not 3 to 4, so we can return it as infinity. And same like this. Okay, 4 tends to 1 infinity to 0. Okay, like that you have to frame the matrix. Okay, simply the graph is given in your problem, you have to transform it into a matrix format, that is a D0. Okay va, initial matrix. Okay, yeah, now see next one. Yeah, next one I have constructed D0. Okay, now I am going to construct the D1. Okay, that is one node. Okay, D power 1. See same 1 2 3 4 and here also 1 2 3 4, you have to list here. And then see in the graph, in previous graph, okay, D0 I have drawn this node. No, I am going to take D power 1, that is next matrix. For that I am taking this one and then this one. Okay, first row first column. Okay va, I am taking first row and first column values. First row and first column values, that means 0 3 infinity 5 and 2 0 2 infinity infinity, that value remains there in the matrix D1 matrix. See 0 2 infinity infinity 3 infinity 5 will be there for D1. Okay, yeah, see I have to find out the remaining values. Okay, and then see 0 0 0, this is constant. Okay, for 1 and 2 1 0 2 0 2 0 and 3 into 3 we have 0, 4 into 4 we have 0. Okay, that's a constant one and we have to find these values on top. See how I can find it. See I have D1 values. Okay, so I am shift to, see here 1 means nothing but in the formula. Okay, that is 1 here nothing but that is a k value. Okay va, yeah, 2 comma 3 is nothing but I comma j. I have to find this values, I have to fill this values. Okay, for that I am going with the formula. Okay, I have shown no weight formula. See weight formula, min wij k minus 1 wik k minus 1 plus wkj k minus 1. Okay, yeah, see let's see how we can solve from this formula. Okay, yeah, minimum D0, that is see here wij k minus 1. For wij I am returning D0. Okay, the D0 that is nothing but k minus 1. K is 1 here. Okay, k oda value in 1 because we are finding the D1 value. Okay, so k is 1, 1 minus 1 0, D0. 2 comma 3, why I am going for 2 comma 3 means see 2 comma 3 because 2 into 1 I have the value, 0 I have the value, 2 into 3 I don't have the value, so I have to find this value. See 2 comma 3, and 2 power 0, same formula. W I comma k, that is I comma k means nothing but I here 2, okay, and k here, k see here, I here 2, and k here nothing but that is 1, okay, k 1, okay. Yeah, so we are returning 1, 2 comma 1 plus, and then see W k j k minus 1. See the k value is 1 and j value is 3, okay, k minus 1, okay, same thing. Now see d power 0 2 comma 3 comma d 0 2 comma 1 plus d 0 1 comma 3 is there. Now see how we can substitute these values, how we can find out these values, and we already formed one matrix, no ma? Yeah, we already formed this matrix d power 0. This matrix, these values we are going to use here, okay, these values we are going to use here. See d power 0 2 comma 3 is there. Now check in the matrix, d power 0 2 comma 3, the value is infinity, so I am writing here infinity, okay. Same d power 0 2 comma 1, so 2 comma 1 value is 2, so I am writing here 2 plus d comma 0 1 comma 3, that is 1 comma 3 1 comma 3, that is infinity. See 2 plus infinity, that means infinity is a big value, 2 plus means it also become a large value compared to infinity, so the infinity value becomes minimum 1. I am going to select the minimum value, so I am choosing infinity, okay. Same here again, d power k minus 1, that is come again d power k, that is weight w I j k, okay. Instead see here, instead of d, that you consider I comma j whole power k, that's so 1 I am mentioning here, d power 1, okay. Yeah, minimum of I comma j k minus 1, I comma k minus 1 plus I comma k j k minus 1. This is separate term, this one is separate term, you have to compare it which one is minimum value, okay. That's the thing here. See minimum d power 0, that is I comma j, see here I comma j, okay, that is 2 comma 4, d power 0 2 comma 1, that is I comma k here is nothing but d power 1, okay. Same k comma j, that is 1 k 4 is j, okay. We have to find out these values from the matrix, okay, d power 0 matrix, okay. See just we are substituting 2 power 4, value is 4, we are writing here 4, okay. Same 2 comma 1, 2 comma 1 we have 2, okay, and then see d power 0 1 comma 4, we have the values 5 value, so we are substituting here 4 comma 2 plus 5, that is 4, okay. Minimum value, we are taking the minimum value, so d power 1 2 comma 4, we have the values d 4, okay. We have to substitute here, okay, where we have to substitute here 2 comma 4, the value is 2 4, like that you have to write these all the values, okay. Like that you have to continue, like that you have to continue here, d comma 2 comma 4, we have filled this one again. Still the matrix is not yet solved. See we have to find 3 comma 4, we have to find 3 comma 4, and then 4 comma 2, and then 4 comma 4 comma 3, we have to find these values, okay. Like that you have to, based on this formula you have to find this one, okay. Yeah, how the equation becomes, let's see. Yeah, value becomes infinity and infinity, okay. At last we found the value d power 1 equal to like this, okay. Now see we because 4 nodes, we have the 4 nodes, so we first 4 nodes, okay. See 4 nodes, we have derived with for only one node, remaining 3 nodes are there, so now I want to solve, I have to find d2, that is, see here I am taking second row second column, okay, but that value only remains constant, and the others I have to find out, okay. Weight values under, see 3 0 1 infinity 2 0 infinity 4, okay. See 0 0 constant, okay. 3 power 0 3 0 constant, okay. Yeah, I have to find the remaining values under, okay. Same this method. Yeah, see, d square 1 comma 3, that is the remaining values I have to find. See, 1 comma 3 is there, so I have to find 1 comma 3. Okay, and then see 1 comma 4. See in the diagram 1 comma 4, 1 comma 4, I need to find these values. And then see 3 comma 1 I have to find. 3 comma 1, same 3 comma 3 0, 3 comma 4 5. Like that I have to find all the values based on this formula. I have to find, okay, minimum d comma 1, that is nothing but here 1 means k minus 1. Okay, I comma j and I comma k comma j. Okay, that's the thing here. Okay, well, you have to find the minimum values. Same method. Okay, yeah, like this you have to find it and fill the values in the matrix. Okay, this is for d square we are finding this one. Okay, so how they becomes, if all we values we found, it means what the values becomes. Okay, see, see all the values I filled like this. Okay, this is what the final second matrix. Okay, yeah, now I have to find the third one. Okay, third matrix d3. Okay, for d3 I have taking third row and third column, and the remaining values I want to find it. Okay, same formula, d cube 1 by 2, that is 1 comma 2 I have to find, and 1 comma 4 I have to find, and 2 comma 1, 2 comma 4, 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2. Like that I have to find by using this formula. Mean d square, that is k minus 1 I comma j plus d square I comma k plus k comma j. Okay, in that I have to find the minimum value. See, 3 comma infinity will be there. D square, you have to find the values from the d square matrix. Okay, see, d square is there no more, so you have to find this one. Okay, see here 3 comma infinity, in that which one is minimum? See, 3 is minimum. So like that I have to write for 1 comma 2 in d3 matrix. I have to write here 3. Like that I have to write. Yeah, and then 1 comma 4, same 1 comma 4 5, 2 comma 2 1. Like that. Okay, based on the formula you have to draw. Yeah, see here the matrix will become like this. Okay, 1 2 3 4, like that will be there. This is what I. Okay, now this is the third node. Okay, now again we want to find a fourth node. Okay, a fourth matrix. Okay, because 4 nodes are there, 4 nodes there, no, so 4 nodes there. So again d4 is there, same we are taking 4th row 4th column. Okay, this value is constant, we have to find these values under. See, d4 1 comma 2. See in the matrix 1 comma 2 value we have to find, 1 comma 3 and 2 comma 1, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2. Like that we have to find the values here. Okay, see what happens. 1 comma 2 3, the same formula. Okay, same formula mean k minus 1. See, k is 4 here. Okay, here k value is 4, 4 minus 1 3. Okay, 1 comma 2. The same method you have to write like this. Okay, you have to find after solving this. See, you have to see after finding out this values, you have to represent in the matrix form. This is what the answer. Okay, at last you have to write what is d0, d0, d1, d2, d3, d4. Okay, see, d1 is graph. Okay, graph la node maathnadu. Okay, this is 4 node will be there. Sub 4 node means 4 matrix. If 5 node means 5 matrix. Okay, like that will be there. Okay, this is what the Floyd's algorithm. Suppose if they ask Floyd's algorithm means, you have to write these things and all. Okay, it is it is also known as all path shortest path problem. You have to draw the diagrams and step 1 construction of matrix and finding the weight in the same formula. Okay, yeah, this is what the thing. Yeah, wait, see, one more thing is there. I want to show here. I am using A B C D. Okay, this one you can take it as homework. See, A B C D, like that I have to write notes. Okay, node is different, no, same only. See, I am writing 0 0 nil or dash, 0, anything is same. Okay, for A to A, B to B, C to C, like that you have to draw same method only. Okay, the diagram, the graph almost same, A B C D or 1 2 3, like that. Okay, you have to solve like this method, that is the Floyd's algorithm. Okay, solve path shortest path problem, we are finding the shortest path for the nodes. Okay, that is very important here. Okay, that's all.